How to reset your Instagram Explore page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, simply scroll down and you can just tap on your activity section. Then tap on the likes and you can see there are different posts that you have liked over the period of time. So you can just unlike by tapping on or making a long press and then tap on unlike option. So just tap on unlike and posts like this will not pop up again. Now go back and then tap on the magnifying glass or the search icon and tap on the search bar. So here you can see all your recent searches. So just tap on see all category and then clear all and clear all again. Now you have an empty search researches over here. Now you can just start exploring and refresh the page and your explore page will be reset on your Instagram page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.